Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So in the number system, today we will learn about the binary number system, right? So the base of binary number system is 2, or the radix of binary number system is 2. So the binary number system can be represented from 0 to 1, okay, 0 or 1 or 0 to 1, right? So since we know that if the radix of any number system is r, so it can be represented from 0 to r minus 1. Since here the radix of binary number system is 2, so it can be represented from 0 to 1, right? So let us consider one example here. So you can see this is 101 dot 100. So this is basically a integer part, right? And this is basically a fractional part, right? So this is binary representation. Okay, this is basically a binary representation of base 2. So you can see this is the left side of the decimal and this is the right side of the decimal. Okay, so the successive position to the left of the decimal is to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2 and to the power 3, right? So they start from here to here for integer value and it start from here to here for fractional value. So this is to the power 0, right? And this one is to the power 1 and this one is to the power 2, right? And the successive position to the right of the decimal is given by to the power minus 1, to the power minus 2 and to the power minus 2, the power of base 2. So this is basically to the power minus 1, this is basically to the power minus 2 and this is basically to the power, right, to the power minus 3. So here the successive position start from this way, arrow marked here, and for right fractional side it start from this way, arrow marked right. So now, so let us say this is the binary number. Okay, this is the binary number 101 dot 100. Now you have to write it mathematically, right? So the integer part is 101. Here let's say here is a dot and this is integer part. This is integer part is 101, that is 101. So arrow mark this side. The first number is 1, then 0, then 1. So and the bit for this 101 is for 1. This one we have the bit to the power 0. For this 0 we have the bit of to the power 1 and for this one we have the bit of to the power 2, right? And the fractional part is 0.0100, right? 0 0.0100, right? That is 100 and the bit is after the decimal at right side, the arrow mark this side. That means to the power minus 1 is this, then 0 to the power minus 2 and then this 0 to the power minus 3, right? Right? So if you want to write it mathematically, how can you write it, right? So this is 101 dot 100 in the terms of binary number. If you want to write it mathematically, 1 into to the power 2. So for this one you have to the power 2 1. For this one you have 1 into to the power 0. Then you come in the fractional part, plus 1 into to the power minus 1 for this, 0 into to the power minus 2 for this, and 0 into to the power minus 3 for this, right? For this. So if you further solve this, 1 into to the power 2 equals to 4, 0 into to the power 1 0, 1 into to the power 0 1, then 1 into to the power minus 1.5, and 0 into to the power minus 2.0, and 0 into to the power minus 0. If you further solve this, you will get 5.5 decimal. The base of this 5.5 is decimal. So if you convert 5.5 decimal to binary, you will get this value, right? So this is equivalent to this. So hope you understand the concept for binary number system. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.